Well, looking at all of those polls, so what all Americans would think, Hillary Clinton, her favorable rating at this point, 46%. That is up from 44% in August. Her unfavorable at 50%. That is down from 53% in August. So the glass half full here is that she's making progress. The glass half empty is that you can see she's still underwater when it comes to her favorable, unfavorable. Now, among Democratic voters, Democratic-leaning voters as well, when asked which Democratic candidate do you trust most to handle a myriad of issues, Hillary Clinton besting Bernie Sanders by a lot here. Certainly, let's look at foreign policy, for instance. This is an issue that Republicans are going to make a big issue of come the general election, especially if Clinton is the nominee. And she's heading into this week, right, where she's talking about foreign policy. She'll be testifying before the Benghazi committee. She's at 62% of Democratic-leaning Democratic voters saying that she is the one they trust on this issue. 42% advantage over Joe Biden, 53-point advantage over Bernie Sanders. That's huge. And how does she stack up in these head-to-head matchups? Well, up against Ben Carson, this is a statistically tied matchup against one of the top two Republican frontrunners. She has 5 points, though, on Donald Trump, the Republican frontrunner, plus or minus 3 points there. It just goes to show you that it is a competitive general election matchup, Michaela, but she certainly does not have this in the bag at this point.